Hello YouTube, Eric DIY with another video review for you. Today we're going to review the Cimetech TM-002 2.4 gigahertz wireless mouse. As you can see by the box, what comes in the box is the mouse itself with a very nice rubberized texture to it. Looks very well built. It has an on-off switch right there and silicone feet, and it has a DPI adjustable track sensor there. It has a dongle which fits into the bottom of the mouse. In fact, it goes in magnetically and then you just pull it out. It also comes with a USB cable to charge the internal lithium-ion battery. If the battery runs out though, you can just plug it in and it will charge while you can still use it. So it's like having a wired mouse if you want it, or a wireless mouse if you don't want it to be wired. Another thing about this mouse is that it's totally plug and play. Windows 10 works fine. You put the dongle in, it recognizes it immediately. It's also good for Mac, Windows 7, Windows 8, basically any type of system. So I took the dongle out of the bottom there. It's a nice place to store it and it holds it very well. I'm going to put it into our USB port over here. And then the next step is just to turn the mouse on. There's an on-off switch right there. And you see it turns red, and I can use it right on this table. The silicone makes it move freely and very nicely, so that's very nice to see. This has 5 different DPI settings, and that's all with this button right here. If you click it, it flashes right there on the mouse wheel and tells you where you are. So that was 4, 5, 1, which is your least sensitive setting, so here's 1. It's taking me a lot to move it that much on the screen. Okay, here's 2. 2 is a little bit more sensitive, so it moves a little easier. That's actually flowing pretty nicely. I like 3 myself, so here's 3. And I like mine a little bit more sensitive than that. So that's awesome. Right there's about where I like it. But again, it has settings for 4. Which makes it even more sensitive, and also 5, which is very, very sensitive. You can't even see it because it's going across the screen so fast. There you go. And I'm barely moving the mouse, and it's moving that much. So, again, I like my setting on 3, so I'm going to keep clicking until it gets to 3. And it all goes by the number of flashes with the light. The texture itself, I had a little scuff there, but this is a very good, durable, rubberized texture. It's built really well. It is plastic, but it's a very durable plastic. The mouse wheel is very much responsive. It glides up and down, so that's really nice. So you can click down on the middle mouse button, scroll through pages that way as well. It does everything a basic mouse does. I would definitely say that this is also good enough for gaming. It doesn't have the fatness of a traditional gaming mouse, but if you want a slim one, definitely the way to go. It goes up to 2400 DPI, 5 adjustable levels. So that is very good and very responsive for gaming on your PC. Myself, I'm going to use this mouse for my work computer. It doesn't require any gaming or anything. We don't do much on this. We do a lot of email and stuff like that. But I like the feel of a gaming mouse. And this is perfect for that because it's built like a normal mouse with some high quality features such as the rubberized coating, as well as the DPI settings that you can change up to 2400 DPI. Nothing worse than using a mouse that doesn't have any DPI settings for you, even if it's on your work computer. Another great feature of this, and probably the greatest one compared to other mice, is that the clicks are silent. If you listen to it, it barely makes a sound. If you're one that obsesses with sounds, clicky noises that you don't like, this could definitely be the wireless mouse for you. And being wireless, again, you can do it from anywhere. It has a range of 30 feet, which is 10 meters. To charge the mouse, you can take any micro USB cable. I have it plugged into a USB port on the computer. And on the front here, it has a micro USB port, and you just plug it right in there. It's plugged in the front, and it has this red light in there. As soon as it's fully charged, that red light goes away, but you could still use the mouse while it's charging. It is going to act like a wired mouse, but it's using wireless still, it's just charging. I've used this mouse quite a lot. I've tested it a lot before I actually reviewed it, and it is a great mouse. It's held up to being put in a bag, shuffled around in the bag, back and forth to work. It is an excellent mouse. I highly recommend this mouse if you're looking for something like this. The silent keys are a bonus. Wireless capability is awesome. I would give this a really high ranking. I've used it for a couple months now and it is great. If you'd like to pick up your Cimetech TM-002 wireless mouse, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below, as well as the bell notification icon, so that way you can see when we release more videos. And as always, have a great evening. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.